Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find videos you watched on Facebook. So what to do, you will have to just click to the Facebook app on this Android device. So here you can click to the top right corner of settings of profile icon. So you will have to just click on the settings and privacy. So here in the you will see your activity. So you will have to just click to the your activity. So here you will just have to click to the your Facebook activity. So here is the activity history. So in your Facebook activity, in the post section, you will see videos you have watched. So you will have to just simply click it. So here is you will see from June 23 2024 our history is here. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.